Welcome to TOHO Industry Thailand. Our company consists of 6 important factors which drive company forward. We would like to introduce all of them with hexagon motif. TOHO Industry Thailand was established in Thailand since 1995. Headquarter is TOHO Industry, which is located in Tokyo and factory in Shizuoka, Japan. Our main product is bus parts for air conditioner and copper plating parts. Our company focuses on quality development in accordance with ISO standards in order to gain the trust of customers. With the certification of ISO 9001 in 2007 and ISO 14001 in 2008, guaranteed with various awards from major air conditioner manufacturers such as Mitsubishi Electric Consumer Products Thailand, Daikin Industry Thailand, Mitsubishi Heavy Industry Mahachak Air Conditioners, and others. Our raw materials are manufactured by leading brass manufacturers both in Japan and Thailand, according to drawings and specifications of each customers. Available materials are adequate to support customers' orders at all times. Our main products are bus parts for air conditioner, such as Union, Fanut, Distributor, Orifice, and new products according to customers' requirement. With the cooperation of our partners, we are able to offer to customers by adding value to our products with copper plating as well. Strictly inspection by Quality Control Department is an important process before delivery to customers. We have arranged measuring tools from leading companies to accurate inspection of surfaces, shapes, and 3D measurements as well as piece-by-piece inspection by employees. Production control is planning and controlling to meet the customer's requirement, starting from the process of controlling and allocating raw materials, machines, planning, and time management in order to be able to deliver products according to orders. Gliding department is under control of Production 1. There are a variety of sizes and more than 100 types of tooling. We have precision tooling machines to support current products and new complicated products. The advantage of tooling production by ourselves is that it can support urgent orders or produce new model in a short time. At the present, we focus on the tooling production so that we can produce according to the customer's usage. Besides, we have planned to expand tooling business in the future. There are more than 80 machines including machining center. We continuously improve our productivity and efficiency according to the customer's requirement. Moreover, we offer VA idea to help customers reducing the cost. Some products are required expertise and refinement in lasing, drilling, and chamfering. Our skilled operators in production 2 department will do those processes after machining. Our operators will do final inspection to ensure the quality and pack in strong packaging to prepare delivery to customers. After completed all the processes, our products will be stored in temperature and humidity control warehouse to strengthen the confidence of customers with storage and maintain the quality. We emphasize first in, first out, and stock control management system by using barcode and label, which is able to trace back precisely. Every morning, our products will be arranged to the trucks for delivery by well-trained operators. We also emphasize about improvement of working environment and educate our employees continuously, such as training, increased green space, and canteen to motivate employees. TOHO Industry Thailand products are just small parts. However, we have grown up from the trust of customers. We would be able to reach this point without cooperation from all our employees. From now on, we remain committed to produce the products to meet customer satisfaction while building good relationships with customers. We will continue to move forward and continuously develop our company. HEXAGON represents stability. HEXAGON represents unity. And our HEXAGON created from people.